Hello everybody, I just want to talk quickly about the Garmin Alexa Speak Plus, which has just arrived. We'll look at the overview of a product, a drive along while I use it, and a day and a night video sample. So as an overview, this is basically Alexa for your car, right? Putting everything that Alexa can do, well, most things like checking your stock or how things are going with devices like your Nest or things like that. That all works with Alexa. Playing music works with Alexa. And then you also get the Garmin part. This is the navigation, the Garmin navigation, So that's pretty okay. And then it comes with a dash cam, meaning this dash cam is a 720 or a 1080p dash cam. Pretty good for what you get. And the thing I'm really excited about is this driver alerts, lane departure warning if you're getting too close to a car in front of you, if cars leave and you're still watching something else and you don't depart from the traffic light, it warns you. So let's do a little drive along and I show you how great it actually is. Alexa, ask Blink to arm my home system.
I've asked your home system to arm.
Alexa, ask Garmin to take me to the nearest Walmart.
I found several results. Walmart is 2.7 miles away, on Peachtree Parkway, in Georgia. Is that okay?
Yes. Yes.
Getting directions. You should arrive at 2:20. Turn left road.
Alexa, how's the stock market doing today?
When the market closed on Tuesday, the Dow Jones was up 0.16% at 24,640. The Nasdaq was up 0.45% at 7,014. The S&P 500 was up 0.26% at 2,663. In 1/2 mile, turn left on lane.
Now you can see the white line over here, and I'm going to try and go over it, and you'll see the little notification saying getting too close to the white line. And that works for the left or the right. So if I try and go over there, I get a message. Okay, and the same for when somebody's in front of me and I get too close and it calculates with the speed, it will give me a warning.
Turn left lane.
That I'm too close. And there, it saw the line on the right and it said you're getting too close. I know I'm supposed to turn left here, but I'm going to go and turn further up just to show that it does recalculate if connected to a phone. So in that case, you can see that it's now updated.
Continue 1.7 miles, then turn left on Parkway.
The other feature, if you wait at a traffic light behind people or cars and they take off and you don't take off, it also gives you a warning that you haven't, everybody's left and you're the only one there. So yeah, it works pretty well, remarkably well for what it is. Really well. Like there, it's giving me the you're too close to the car in front of you warning. Okay. Now we've stopped. Now it gives me the warning that the traffic is moving and I should have gone. So great, it actually works remarkably well considering. I really did not expect that it works this well. And also the lane departure and all that only start at a certain speed, meaning it doesn't beep now because I'm not driving at a fast speed. So the Alexa integration works great, but to get Alexa to work, I use Android Auto. So I've always been able to play music on my stereo, my car stereo, via Bluetooth. But with this integration and Android Auto running, I can say, Alexa, play some Dave Matthews music.
Shuffling songs by Dave Matthews.
Well, there you have it. I think it's great. I think for the price, it is amazing that we've come this far. And you know, you can see how small and unintrusive it is on the front of the dash there. Well, thank you, and hope to speak soon.